What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. This is an update video called, like I said, I just got home today, and man, it just constantly on the move, man. Constantly on the move. Like, it's finna rain. Ain't got nothing going on. But we finna crank up rhythm and blues, cause I ain't crank up rhythm and blues in like 2 weeks. So we finna crank that up first. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. Got old rhythm and blues partially uncovered. Y'all see the cloud, man? It's finna get ugly. It's stunning out here and everything. Let me get that thumbnail. Got to get the thumbnail. But it's an update video called I'm just getting in from Houston, man. I've been on the move, y'all. Been having fun though. Been having a whole lot of fun. Here come the rain. Hope this thing crank up. Look at that thing ready. This thing here ain't talking for a long time, boy. Gotta straighten out. I gotta go back and get John Jones. I'm gonna give y'all this update on all the cars, the whole fleet. With the blue still snapping. Look at it, about to blow my top off the thing. It ain't warmed up yet. Nah, it ain't all the way warm yet. Sound like it's skipping. It is skipping. I guarantee I know what it done did. Yep, I burned the spark plug a while. Burnt the boot up. I ain't got time to be fooling with it though. Now this thing run like a sewing machine under there. It done burnt that boot up, man. I looked at it the other day. I said, man, that boot about to burn up. Yeah. But I got a whole nother set of wires in there. It all good. Y'all hear it? That's what I say. You can tell. Burnt the boot up. That's rhythm and blues, boy. Caught this thing up in a long time. Yeah, man. Burnt the bad boy. Crazy. I ain't drove this car in 2 weeks. I really ain't drove this car in 2 weeks. Man, I want to spend some time so bad in the car. I'm trying to get it right. I ain't been crunk up in 2 weeks, like I said. Yeah, man. Rhythm and blues. Hey. Oh, hold up. Meech trying to get in here, boy. It was almost in here too, boy. He was crawling up the door. But yeah, man. I'm finna we finna cover our rhythm and blues back up before that we're gonna cover rhythm and blues back up before the bottom fall out. Cause it's coming. I ain't even know it had rain out here. I ain't know it had rain till I came out. I said, man, wet. So I'm finna get this car covered back up. Then we're gonna go to the garage, the shop, aka the garage, and I'm gonna holler at y'all about all the cars in the fleet so y'all know what's going on. Give y'all updates on everything. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, we got rhythm and blue covered up. Meech, we starting next week, y'all. Next week. We starting next week. Big Meech. So we're gonna walk. We're gonna get back on over here. Give y'all the update on everything. Man, every time I look at this thing, I see something different. But yeah, see the part pile. I'm tired of looking at this part pile. I'm ready to see these parts in the car. Rims, 6s, just sitting right here ready to be mounted. Man, I got everything. Big block over there, isn't it? So I'm gonna try to update y'all out here. If it start raining, we'll go in the garage. We'll go in the garage if it start raining. But yeah, alright. So to give y'all, it's finna rain too, boy. It's finna go down. So to give y'all the update on every single car, man. I mean, I hate to begin y'all video like this right now, no action, but something better than nothing. And I just been traveling that much, man. So it like something better than nothing, man. I've been traveling that much, but I literally have not crunked to cut this up in about 2 weeks. I ain't been driving it, so that's the first time Rhythm and Blue been crunked up about 2 weeks. I ain't drove it in 2 weeks. It just been sitting, like it ain't nothing going on with it. It just been sitting, so really ain't too much to update y'all on with that. We're gonna start the build on that, the new engine, immediately after Meech get oil pressure, like right after Meech get oil pressure. So Rhythm and Blues will have a new combination, new engine before the end of the year. So we'll be done remixed basically all the cars will be done been touched this year. So Rhythm and Blues will be getting the new engine before the end of the year. We'll have oil pressure and everything, new tune, all that stuff, dyno. Definitely be over 400 to the wheels, that's for sure. So we got that. Big Meech. We starting Big Meech build next week. I can't wait, man. I've been waiting. We're gonna be some wrench turning. Gonna be back like the old vlogs. Y'all know I ain't turned no wrenches in a long time. Just been being busy. But Big Meech will be getting pushed out of that spot. The engine bay prep gonna begin. Repainted. Taking out the old frame mounts. Putting the new steel mounts in. Putting them engine mounts on the engine. All of that. I gotta call DJ. DJ works so fast on the transmission, man. When we get the transmission, we're gonna put it in. If DJ just running behind, which is cool, like I said, we still gonna put the engine in. Either way, we're dropping the engine going in that car. Like, get it out that stand, engine be sitting in that engine bay. Headers will be bolted up to it. Header gaskets, all of that. Cross member will be put in. If y'all will get that too, we'll bolt the cross member in. If I get the transmission back in time though. But either way, y'all gonna see some wrench turning, cause we're gonna be prepping the engine bay. We gotta prep get it ready for the new fuel line and all that system. So y'all gonna see a lot. Y'all gonna see a lot, man. Y'all gonna see a lot started. We're gonna do all of that, man. Get it all ready, and then we're gonna take it to Lawless to get it ready. Let him finish it up. So you know. But anyway, after that, okay, that we got going on with that. Now with Wifi Car. Wifi Car, I don't really have an update for y'all on it. Y'all been asking about it. I'm gonna try to get an update on it, man. Let me see. When Wifi Car, I got the new quarter panel for it. That's what we're waiting on. So I don't have an update on that car yet, man. I hope to get y'all an update soon. Hope to be getting y'all some footage on it, cause we're trying to make the end of the year. Really trying to get it out soon as possible so we can move forward. That's really like a whole cosmetic build for y'all, cause she got to get wheels. It got to be C-notched. It's a lot more stuff got to be done. Interior probably won't get done this year, cause I'm telling y'all that right now, cause she definitely we want her to drive the car this year, so the interior would not be getting done, not taking it to another shop, and just, you know, that'll be time. It take time to do this stuff, so interior ain't happening this year. That's enough. Like, so it'll be mounted up. We're gonna get it mounted up and let her enjoy the car some this year and all that. So I hope to have y'all up. I'm gonna try to get y'all an update next week too. I'm trying to get y'all an update on everything next week. Actual video update on the MC, the Monte Carlo. For ones that don't know, I took the engine out of Big Meech. It has the new crate engine in it that was in Big Meech. That's what's in Wifi Car. If you missed that build, I put that in, got it running right here in the yard. Well, I put it in, I couldn't figure out the wiring. Aunt got it started, but I put it in, time and all that good stuff. Wired it up, everything, all that. So that's what's going on. Wifi Car got the new drivetrain, flow master, everything. It's ready, but it's just waiting to get painted, man. Waiting on the paint. paint man get finished with it, and then we could pick it up and I could just move forward and it could just be boom, 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 like that, and we can roll with that. Dolo, John Jones. We're gonna do Dolo last. John Jones just got it just chilling, man. Like I said, I ain't been able to fool with the cars in 2 weeks, man, cause I've been on the move. So John Jones is A-okay. John Jones okay, man. I'll have it back this week. Let me see when y'all looking at this. Next week. I have it back next week. I have it back next week, man. Back driving it around and all of that. And the shocks have came in. I got the call today. Man, my shocks in, boy. It's about to be on. I'm really ready to get that thing to the track for real. For real now. Man, you think trying to they gonna be train smoke out here. But I'm ready to I'm really ready to get that thing, get them shocks in, man. I'm gonna be ready to take John Jones to the track. ASAP rocket call. Now it's gonna be ready. Bump box, hooked up, scramble button, got the shocks so the 60 foot can go down. And it's going down. It's going down. So we got new shocks for John Jones. They was built for the car, custom spec. We got new shocks for Dolo. I got 8 shocks. I got shocks for Dolo going on. That was the last piece of Dolo. And while we talking about that, we on the Dolo. Now, I can't give y'all a real update on Dolo. I'm just telling y'all what been told to me. Like I don't know. I come on video. I try to tell y'all what get told to me. So I'm trying to give y'all the update so y'all know what's going on as I get updated. Now Dolo, I was hoping to get Dolo back last week. I think I told y'all, but that ain't happened. So I don't know. I really don't know when Dolo coming back. Now, like I said, I'm being honest with y'all. What I'm getting done to it is the fuel system had to be done, which put a fuel cell, a 20-gallon fuel cell in it, bigger fuel line, bigger return line, all of that. I got the progressive controller getting hooked up, and the springs getting put back in, and my steering wheel getting put on for the wheels, which I could have did the spring and the steering wheel too. Since it was there. And what else? I'm trying to make sure. Oh, and the little MSD box is the retard box, so I can retard the timing from inside the car, so I can run max timing for when I'm running on motor, and then take the timing out when I'm running on gas. And the pills getting put in too, and you know it getting tuned. So that's what's going on with Dolo. Like I said, I don't know when I'm getting it back, to be honest with y'all. I just really don't know. I don't know. I can't give y'all a for sure date on Dolo. I don't know when Dolo coming back. I hope soon though, cause that's where I got a lot of content for y'all. We got the mount up. When I get the car back, going to the dyno again. I will not be showing no dyno numbers, but I'm gonna be going to the dyno. Then we're gonna go to the track on the radius car. I got front runners for the car. Y'all might have saw that video. So I got to try the car with the front runners on. The car laid down a nice number. When the first run I ran on motor with them heavy 15s in the front, the car still laid down a nice number, and it was running out of fuel on the big end, so it wasn't making peak power, but it still laid down a good number. So I want to see what it do on the front runners, the full drag pack. So we're gonna do that. Take it. I'm gonna spray it. It'll be at a private rental. I ain't gonna take it to no event and spray it. And after that, man, we're gonna put the wheels on. I'm gonna get it dialed in on the wheels with the progressive control. I'm gonna show y'all how that works and all that, and good stuff. And I'm gonna be learning it myself, new progressive control. So that's the update with Big Dolo. I got a lot of content, video content coming for y'all when it comes to Dolo, man. But I just gotta see. I gotta see when I'm gonna get it back. I don't know. I ain't got no answer right now, so I can't give y'all an answer. But Meech is within my power. Meech within my power, so I'm finna, y'all gonna see a lot of content. So the content that y'all can be expecting to come daily, I'm gonna be back on daily upload, cause I got so much to do to this car. We're gonna be pushing this car back out the spot, so when y'all see this car move back, you know it's going down. It's going down. So we're gonna be a lot of content on Meech again, trying to get it ready for the big block. I don't plan on taking all day with this. I've been gone a long time, so. And we're going back to Summit, man. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the rest of the stuff from Meech. Like I said, I've been traveling for the last 2 weeks, so now I'm gonna go ahead and buy the rest of the stuff from Meech. The drive shaft, the progressive controller. Go ahead and order the shocks on all 4 corners. What else? The nitrous kit, and the dedicated fuel system. I gotta get all that. I'm gonna get all that. So we going back to Summit, man. Well, ain't no problem. I know we're gonna spend another bag, but I want to get everything I need for this car so it can be complete. Crank up, ready to go, complete. People been asking if I'm gonna put wheels on the car. Right now, I have no plans on putting wheels on the car. I don't want all my cars with wheels on them. I don't. This gonna be on 15, 17s in the front, probably how I'm gonna roll with Meech. I'm gonna get some expensive drag wheels though. Like, probably won't be running Jed's wheels on these. Some actual nice wheels for Big Meech. Cause this my boy. We're gonna put wheels on R&B. John Jones, no wheels. So that was my plan for the fleet. 2 with wheels on it, 2 that don't have wheels on it. So that's the plan. Wifey gonna have wheels, and that's just gonna be the cosmetic car all the way clean. It's part of the fleet too, but it's my white car. So that's the updates on everything they got going on. Like I said, man, it just been I've been on the move too much to even try to get y'all some action content or even link up somebody. I literally been on and off planes. I'm talking about home, gone again for a day, for a few hours, then gone again. So I ain't been able to make nothing happen, man. So y'all, that's why I've been skipping days, man. Y'all probably like, what's going on with Jay? On the move, man. It's fun, but it's exhausting. So next week, man, tune in to the channel, man. BCG, we going in. All this stuff, this power gonna start going down, man. I'm gonna mount the radiator in there, all of this stuff. We can get the fans mounted up, man. I'm gonna hit Rick up, see if Rick can come through, and we get it in like we did way back. We get it in. Rick went in with me the first time on Meech. So let's see. We're gonna knock this power down. Then it's still gonna have to end up going to lawless street cars to get oil pressure. I'm just gonna literally sit the engine in there to get y'all some content, put my hands on the car, and then I'll send it to lawless and let Jesse crank it up, get the oil pressure and all that good stuff. And yep, then I'm gonna start on this car. I got to stay busy, man. Start on this, send it to the machine shop. All I got, literally all I gotta buy is a rotating assembly, man, a bottom end and a camshaft, which I'm gonna pick. I already got my eyes on specs for a camshaft, a good blower camshaft and all that. And yeah, man, we're gonna see what kind of power this make. We're gonna change the headers and all that, some bigger headers, 1 3/4. And yeah, we're gonna make it do what it do. So we got some more projects and stuff coming to the channel and all that. So yeah, man, that's it. That's the update for today. I hope to catch y'all another 2 days, maybe another 2 days. If not, y'all see me on live, man. Look for a live stream. If not tomorrow, the day after this video, look for a live stream if I don't drop a vlog. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later.